So today we're talking about this Dimora Silicone Foam Dressing. Now, Dimora sent this to me. They gifted me this specific one, and this video is sponsored. Today, I'm gonna open this up. I'm going to pour 15 milliliters of this colored water on here, and I'm actually going to test this and show you the absorption rate, what it looks like. I'm gonna give you a full demonstration, and we're gonna put it right here on my skin. And I'm gonna pull it off and see if it pulls my hairs off. So far, I've already tried this and I gotta say I love it, but I'm gonna show you exactly how this works. Now, real quick, I'm gonna show you the front of the packaging, and then I'm also gonna show you the back. The Dimora Silicone Foam Dressing, it's equipped with Mega Sorb technology, delivering 15 times higher absorption capacity to take up and firmly retain fluid. That's why this stuff is really awesome. And all you gotta do is just simply undo it just like this, and it comes out like this. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a demonstration. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pull this thing right off. All around here is going to be medical silicone adhesive, which is going to be sticky. It's going to stay, but it has a very special technology that is not going to completely rip everything up. That's why I love this. All right, I'm gonna put my bucket right here. Okay, we are going to pour it on just like this. How it absorbs right here. Do you guys see this? And then right here on the back, it is also waterproof on the back. And then as I take this part off, I want you to notice the difference between this side and then that side. It just completely absorbs everything. All right, we're gonna go right here on this area and we're gonna put it on. This is after I poured all of that liquid on, and you've got to be kidding me. It still sticks just like that, even though half of it, I poured all of that liquid on it. And look at this right here. Is I'm gonna take it off. So I want you to get ready for this. Look at that. It's barely pulling anything. See, that's what I'm talking about. Now, anything else in that first aid kit, I mean, it's like you got to rip it off really fast and all the hairs are gonna go. Nope, not with this. This barely takes anything off, and I really didn't even notice anything. Look at this right here. I mean, this stuff is really awesome. I definitely recommend that you go ahead and pick up this pack. Now, it comes in all kinds of different sizes and in quantities. All you got to do is just pick the size, quantity that you need. This stuff is amazing. When it comes off, it didn't even pull my hairs. I mean, that's how good this is. And the absorption rate is through the roof. It is so amazing. So I definitely recommend go ahead and pick this up today. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to pick this up for yourself, what I'll do is I will leave the best discount that I've found on this silicone bandage dressing in the description of this video. And after testing this, I can absolutely say this is the best I have ever seen when it comes to first aid, bandaging, and silicone dressing. So if you want this, go to the description. If you like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe. See you on the next one.